The United States Embassy in Bridgetown has issued a renewed advisory to Caribbean nationals regarding the misuse of non immigrant visas, with a particular focus on birth tourism. The embassy underscores that entering the United States on a B1 or B2 visitor visa, primarily to give birth, aiming to secure U.S. citizenship for the child, is a violation of U.S. immigration law and will not be tolerated. St. Lucia's Diaspora Affairs Ambassador, His Excellency Julian Du Bois, highlighted during an interview with NBC Prime that, like other countries, St. Lucia possesses the sovereign right to establish and enforce its own immigration policies. He noted that the government is actively working on legislation in this regard. Ambassador Du Bois urged citizens to respect and comply with both local and international laws.
We work with our partners, our state partners. We do not want our people to violate any laws, and we want that if you've chosen to go to whichever country, for whatever reason, your own development, in search of work, probably in search of love, building your family, whatever the reason, we encourage you to respect the laws, because we as well would like for visitors to our country to respect our laws.
Du Bois explained that while other countries have the right to set their immigration policies, understanding individuals' intentions can sometimes be challenging.
People may have different reasons for visiting, and given their policies, they determine, for example, whether they're going to poach our nurses or medical professionals. It's their sovereign right to do so. Likewise, our, STEM students who, are very qualified in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They try getting our students all the time, as well as they try to send home quite a few of our people for whatever reasons they may have. That is their sovereign right. And we have our doors open to our nationals, and as soon as you're a national, regardless of why, we welcome you home.
He also emphasized the importance of registering overseas-born nationals' citizenship. Recent initiatives by the government include establishing legislation to recognize second-generation citizens, encouraging grandchildren born abroad to claim citizenship.
So the grandchildren of nationals born overseas could now register their citizenship. So our doors are open, and this is what we try to deal with. We would like for these people to be involved in our national development activities. We believe we have quite a bit of skill, we have quite a bit of intelligence out there. Our nationals are cutting edge in terms of technological development and their contributions to the global development. We'd like for some of them to participate in our national development activities and engage with us. So that's the reason why we're reaching out.
The embassy advises all Caribbean nationals to review visa guidelines carefully and ensure their travel intentions align with the specific visa category issued. Kayla Edwin, NBC Prime.